Hi guys, it's William. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing Swedish energy chocolate balls. It's going to be very hard to pronounce, but I think they are called chocolate bollar. I don't know. Just try to pronounce it here. It's very delicious and very quick and easy to make. You don't have to use the oven. You don't have to use any sort of equipment. It's just one bowl, a few ingredients, and that's it. It's very easy and delicious. So let's start with the recipe. So first of all, I'm going to use some oats, and it is actually the base of our recipe, and I'm going to use quite a lot of it, and I'm going to try to make some sort of a mix between a powder and the crumbs of oats, just to have a bit of texture, and I'm going to put it in my bowl. Great, so now in another bowl I'm going to cream together my room temperature butter with some amazing dark brown sugar. It's looking perfect and smelling great also, and I'm going to cream it until smooth. Great, now we can add the cocoa powder, and I'm going to mix that again. As always, even in chocolate recipes, I'm using some vanilla extract, and I'm also going to add some coffee. I'm using espresso, which is very intense. It gives a wonderful taste with the chocolate flavor, and it goes perfectly with coffee as well. So I'm going to mix that well, and then I will add the oats. As you can see, I have a pretty combined batter or dough, I don't know how you call it, but it's looking divine and almost ready. And now I'm going to shape some balls of this batter, and I'm going to drop them in some dried coconut. This is quite traditional when it comes to Swedish chocolate balls, but you can definitely use some sprinkles, pecans, walnuts, whatever. It will be delicious as well. If you want to have some very soft balls, you can store them at room temperature, but if you would like them to be a bit more hard and intense in flavor, just put them in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour and they will be perfect. Anyway, I really hope you liked this video. As you can see, it was very fast and easy to do. Please make sure you try this recipe, and you can actually find the list of ingredients in the description box down below this video, as well as my social media where you can follow me, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon for another amazing recipe. Bye!